performance from the last week. $1,806. It was exceptional week. It was really great. If you remember past weeks, sometimes it was 500, 400, even close to 300. This week, $1,806. Overall, since April 2025, I collected $5,583, which is annualized return on investment just from premiums 33%. Overview of trades and portfolio from the last week. Just on Tesla, I earned $1,416. On Nvidia, $112 from puts. From GameStop, I got $277 on calls. My portfolio overall grew 2.5%, which means that overall portfolio performance is 130% since April 2025. And as my target is to beat the market, beat the index, so S&P 500 did 117%, Nasdaq did 124. So you can see I'm beating S&P 500 and I'm beating Nasdaq as well. Portfolio allocation. This has changed since last week. I have over 30,000 in Tesla. In GameStop, I increased my position after the drop. The reason is because the premium is way higher than what I can achieve from other stocks, and for that I'm long in GameStop. Small positions still in Cleveland Cliffs, ClearSign Technologies and Google, and I have 31,000 in cash. I want to show you actually the performance in detail and what has happened actually last week, because I think it's very interesting to see why I earned so much money on Tesla on premium. And you can see actually that I was selling covered calls for $345, but as I had a cash position as well, I was selling also the puts. And as the price was growing starting from Monday, so I was able to roll the options. And so for puts that I opened at $285, I actually rolled it to strike price $292, and I earned additional $265 on premium. And then later on, actually, I closed the puts with a small loss of $5. And I used the cash actually to buy the dip from GameStop. And on GameStop, it was similar. I was also rolling options, but in the case of GameStop, it was a different direction, right? So I opened the calls at $38, and as the price was falling, I was going down with the premium, rolling the strike price down to $32 and then even to $26. And so I earned overall $48 as I was rolling the price. And then I also opened covered calls. When I had the position, I opened covered calls with the strike prices at $24.50 and collected premium of $228. For Nvidia, I had only one option contract, 138 strike price. It was put and earned $112. For Cleveland Cliffs, it was only planned. It didn't open with the strike price $9 and premium that I requested of $3.